Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Chrome browser profiles with Google Sync Troubleshooting easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. Click on the profile icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the profile you want to update. If you don't see the desired profile, click on Add to create a new profile. Once the profile is selected, click on Manage your Google account. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account associated with the profile. Navigate to the Data and Personalization tab. Scroll down to find Sync in Google Services. Click on Manage what you sync. Choose the data types you want to sync, such as bookmarks, history, and passwords. Once your selections are made, return to the Sync in Google Services page. Toggle the Sync Everything option on or off based on your preference. Now, let's troubleshoot common Google Sync issues. If Sync isn't working, ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Check if you're signed in with the correct Google account for the profile. Clear the cache and cookies in your browser settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Click Clear Data. Restart your browser to see if the issue is resolved. If problems persist, go back to Sync in Google Services and click on Reset Sync. This will disconnect your account from Sync, allowing you to reconnect. Re-enable Sync by going through the steps again in the same section. If you continue to experience issues, consider checking for updates. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Help and About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and apply them if available. After updating, repeat the sync steps to ensure everything is working. Finally, if none of these solutions help, visit the Google Help Center for more support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.